Hey guys, this is Shubham Deep. Today I will explain the most important part of the C programming language, which is function. Okay, so function is actually important because it's a usual in C and also usual in Java. In Java, this is called as a method, and in C, this is called as a function. Okay, and this reason is also give the importance to the function. Like if you want to execute a particular task repetitively, then you have to use a you can execute that task by using function. Okay, and here's a simple definition. So first we will learn definition, then I will tell you the concept of these reasons. Okay, so a function is a self-contained block of one or more statement that perform a special task when it called. Okay, so this is a simple definition. And to execute, and the reason is to execute a task repetitively. That's mean if you want to access a particular task n number of times, so you can access that task by using function. Okay, and the function defined can be called any number of time to execute. And of course, if you want to execute the task n number of times, so you have to call that function, and the calling is possible by functions. Okay, and third reason is using a function. A large program can reduce smaller ones. Suppose if you have a large program and you have the problem for readability, then you can divide that entire program into the smaller ones. Okay, so this is the concept, and it is easy to debug and find out the error from it. Okay, so you can easily understand these things, and also the definition. And now I'm going to tell you the function with program. Okay, so here I have a simple program of the function, and each thing in the program I will explain. So I will start from here because I will not tell you what is this, because I have been explained what is this in further lectures. If you don't know, so please follow my further lectures. And here, okay, this entire statement is called function prototype, and we declare it as a globally. I'm telling you why. Actually, if you want to use a function, then you have to tell the compiler that I want to use a function. At that time you I'm giving the prototype to a compiler for telling that I want to use a function. Okay, so this is the declaration of a function, and I'm declaring it as a globally. And you can also declare under the main, but I'm actually using it as a but actually I'm declaring as a global. Okay, so this is the concept. And here I'm using int. This is the function, but what is this? This is called return type. Return type is user for here you can see that I have a user defined function. That's mean I'm declaring a function. So this is that's why it is called a user defined function. Okay, and here you can see that I'm returning a value x from the function. So it is possible by using int here. Okay, I can also use void, but at that time it will not return any kind of value from them. Okay, because it's a prototype is another, and it is the function is actual function is another, so it will generate a error. Okay, so I have to use int for returning a value. Okay, so this is called function prototype, and here I'm using int two times because of here you can see that I'm using two arguments. These are the call arguments, and this is useful for catching the value which will pass by from here. I will tell you how, and that's why here I'm using two variables, two arguments. So that's why I declare integer two times. Okay, and now I will tell you how actually the function is performed. Okay, here the execution will start from here and will come under the block and will check that I have a value in integer type a, b, c, and a has a value 5, b has a value 10. And here this is called function call. Okay, if you want to call any function, then you have to use this format. Uh, and after that, when the controller will come on this point, it will check that I have a function, so it will go for that function, and which is here. Okay, and that's mean from here the compiler, I mean the controller, will come on this point with these two values. Okay, because these values also passed from here, so here s and t will catch the value of a and b. Okay, so this is the concept, and you can also declare like a and b. A and B here. You can also use like this, but I'm not using it like this because okay. So you can also, this is the suitable. So here S and T will catch the value of A and B, and the controller will come in this block. Okay, and here I declare a variable integer type x, and here x is equal to s plus t. That's mean s plus t means the addition of a plus b. Okay, and the result will stored in x, and after that I am returning value x from this function. Okay, because it's an integer type, I mean return type is int, so that's mean it will return a value, and it will return value to the function here. Okay, from here it will return value here, and the x, which is the addition of s plus t, will store in c, and here you can see that I am simply printing c. Okay, and so now I'm going to run this program, and we will see what is the result. Here you can see that a plus b is 15. Okay, that's mean our program is correct. Okay, so I want to tell you some another important things. This block, I mean this entire block is called the function definition. This is called the function, I mean this is called formal arguments, this is called actual arguments, and arguments are those variable and values which pass by the function call and catch by the function. Okay, this is the arguments, and this is the return type, and another thing I have been explained. So okay, so this was the concept. If you have still have any problem, you can ask me on my channel, and so thanks for watching, and please keep learning, and don't forget for subscribe. Okay, now bye.